Shut do.
Stop laughing.
Ready? 3, 2, quiet on set.
Today, we're going to install an expansion card. I'm going to teach my friend here how to install it.
How do I do that?
Well, you can't do it with these gloves on.
Aww.
First of all, you unplug the computer. Oh no, it's already done. Secondly, you remove the side. Hold this, my assistant. Next, you grab the card. Make sure you don't hold it by the gold part. That's bad. Then, you place the card in here, and if it wasn't a crappy Dell, it'd be a lot easier. Then you easily just slide it in place and lock it down. Like that. What did you learn so far?
I don't know.
Okay then. We're gonna continue. You place it back together, and you're done.